How to install Instagram Lite application in Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can install Instagram Lite application from Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to launch the Google Play Store in your device. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. From here, navigate to bottom right corner, tap on the search icon, and in the search bar, search for Instagram Lite. So this is the application, tap on it. If you want to view its review, scroll through it and then you can view your review from the section right here. Now to install it, tap on the install button. Then, depending upon your internet connection, installation may take some time. Once the installation is complete, open up the application. You may be prompted to log in and start using the Instagram Lite in your mobile device. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.